avoid them or no?
Why? Are we doing anything wrong?
I'm always doing something wrong. Aren't you? So believe it or not, this is actually the best point break I've seen in India so far. All right, guys, we're here at this fort. Looks pretty cool. It's raining a lot. It's called Fort Aguada. And I'm sure they're gonna charge some sort of exorbitant amount for foreigners so we can preserve the site more than the locals, which is normal in India. And I have no problem actually paying it because it's fun. I don't mind preserving Indian culture and stuff and history. So here we go. So I only pay 12 times more as a foreigner, which is actually a pretty good deal compared to Mumbai.
He's lying.
Mumbai, it's like
Nothing like that.
it's more like 24 times, so it's fine. So I appreciate keeping the Indian culture alive, because without foreigners, this place would probably be overrun by you know, just like animals and stuff. And thankfully, I can be here to prevent that.
Done?
Yeah, almost. We're here at Fort Aguada, as you can see on the sign over there, or you can't see probably, which is fine. So here we go. This is very nice. Look at this. This is really cool. This is a real fort. Like, I don't know, people died here probably. The British invaded when...
People die in jail, not in fort.
Yeah, not that often though in jail, unfortunately. Yeah, but true, forts don't kill that many people. All these places. All right, so we got some drinking water here at Aguada Fort. So you can fill up your water bottles here if you need some water, clean. Hopefully you won't get giardia or cholera or anything like that. What's up? How are you?
Yeah.
What is this area here?
Those are working for this place, they're staying there.
Ah, okay. So you guys live here. Ah, so go elsewhere. Don't. Okay. And over here? Ah, okay. Okay. All right. Have a good day. Alright guys, we're still here at the fort. Pretty cool fort, honestly. They had protection from the sea, from this vantage here, as you can see. And they also had protection from the land over here, which you can also see. And they also had a giant moat. Moats are useless against sea warfare, obviously. So that's kind of interesting. It relied really heavily on people manning the fort in general.
Hi, subscriber.
Fair enough, fair enough. Yeah. All right. Catch you guys later.
Subscribe channel,
And like. There you go.
and bell icon.
This guy's my advocate, yeah?
Bell icon.
Okay, awesome. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. And these guys.